Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Good morning, booze. So it is 9:50. We slept great.
We slept, well, I mean, I woke up around 5 a.m. and I was up all night.
Oh my god, that's not
After
great.
that, I mean, but
But it wasn't
it
anything
wasn't
that.
because of me. It's just because I think just my internal
Yeah,
clock.
me
Yeah,
too.
so we go, and then but we went back to sleep.
Yeah, I went
Yeah.
back to sleep.
And I woke up just naturally at 8, but I slept really, really well. One of my favorite views ever to wake up to, just that open ocean. It's one of my favorite views. Matt and Jason just arrived. Apparently, they did not sleep as well.
At 2:30,
Tell us
our
your
neighbors
tales.
next door, directly next to us, started screaming at each other
Could you hear the
through the walls.
I had
argument?
earplugs in and I could hear it.
You had earplugs.
And we had our noisemakers on.
They were yelling.
You had noisemakers.
Yes. And their screaming
Wow.
finished with profanity in the tune to shut the up.
Oh,
Shut
wow.
the up.
And then they went to bed.
Was this a man and a woman?
I couldn't-
Or was
It
It
this
sounded
2
like
women?
2 gentlemen.
Oh.
Maybe not a couple. Maybe they were just friends.
Bros.
And one was trying to get lucky and succeeded or didn't. I don't know.
Dearie me.
But needless to say, I was like, oh.
So we're gonna have some caffeine this morning.
That's what we were thinking. And we were just saying, we were like, yeah. We almost were like, because I got up at 8, I was like, do we want to do the like? Then I was also like, I don't know, though, because it's probably going to be a real smoke fest over there at the thing. Did you guys do any of that?
No, we just left the room.
No,
Oh,
literally.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So you just, yeah. So you didn't miss anything. Okay, so coffee. No, tonight is the last night
both.
for,
It's
well,
both,
yeah, we're
yeah.
the second one for lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, so we are. Hey, oh, let's give them a quick hooty hoo into here. All right, Swarovskis. Bourgeoisie. Oh, look. It's Snow White. Do they have a Disney collection? So yeah, so this is, if you are interested in Swarovski, there's a lot of them in here. Some of them are so pretty. Look, did you see the Snow White? So yeah. This would be a great idea, like if you were gonna like surprise a special someone and like get them like a little, like maybe if it was like an anniversary or something. Get them a little, like, you know,
Yeah,
little Swarovski. It's very pretty.
upcharged.
Well, maybe not though. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, guys, look, the towel animal display. Is this a? No, they always do it where they make a ton of them and then they put them all out. So cute. What is this? Is this a crab? What is that? Is that an anteater? This is what they made for us that we were confused about. Oh, look. An armadillo? Oh no, anteater? Look! Aww. Elephant. Oh my gosh, what is this thing? It's so cute! I don't even know what it is, but it's adorable.
Llama. Very pretty.
Oh my goodness. Llama?
I think that's an armadillo.
Armadillo? No. Oh, these are so cute. Where, monkey? Oh, monkey! Oh, we've had monkeys before. I love it. Look at the monkey!
Oh, the mouse is amazing.
Where, mouse? Oh, the mouth. Oh, yeah, the mouth is really good. Look at that monkey. Oh, I see. Yeah, the octopus. Look at that octopus. So cute. Oh my goodness. Come on. What's the problem? I think this is a good place for us to sun today. No, let's sunbathe over here. Come on, Jason.
You're gonna see this.
This is our deck. This is gorgeous. I don't care who you are. These are the money shots. Look at it. You're overlooking everything. So guys, the ping pong tables are over here. Love ping
It's amazing how
pong.
windy, how less windy it is here.
And then over there is the smoking section, if you are so inclined. Eesh. No judgment, but oof. To note, you know how most times there's like a ton of people that are saving deck chairs and there's nowhere to sit by the pool and everything? There are a ton of deck chairs.
It's not really hot.
I mean, I don't know, it's not cold.
It's not like warm enough for me to lay out and
You know I would.
get some sun.
I would love it. It's very sunny, which I like, and it's cool and breezy, which I also like. But yeah, so if you were wanting to take in the rays, there are places for you here. No people saving all the seats and all that. So we are in the Shakespeare library. Yeah, it's very quiet in here. We're waiting on Jason to take a big boy sit down, and so we're gonna play a game, but not a long one. So remember memory?
Later on, I'll tell you my library joke.
Oh, I love that, guys. So this is the new brunch menu.
Yeah, let's keep it menu.
Can you believe it? Oh yeah. So this is the brunch menu. Things have changed. So no more of the Carnival French toast. It's changed. But this is the new. They have the brunch spaghetti. They have all these sides now. It looks a little more like grown up. Like it looks, you know. I mean, I like the changes. The Carnival French toast is a sad loss. Also, there's no more of the well, they have the Huevos Rancheros. Okay, so they're the same. But so we got the steak and eggs, and then the fried chicken, and then this the grapes. So yeah, this is the new menu. What do you think? So guys, these croissants are amazing. Oh, sunny side eggs. It's like a little like face. And then it's the bread basket. Comes with the Danish. And then Matt had the parfait, which he said that the granola was
It was good. There was actually a lot of it. Usually they're kind of, let me give you a nut.
ginseng. But he said it was homemade. Bravo. Uh-oh. He's looking around. What are you missing? Okay, the mac and cheese with
That looks
bacon for
great.
the table looks amazing. This is the fried chicken. How's the fried chicken?
Oh, I haven't had it yet. I'm just waiting
Oh
for
my
everything
gosh.
to come.
Oh my gosh, that's the French toast?
Amazing.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, is that skillet cake? Wow, Cha-Cha. You
just in
will
time. He just
stop
finished
it.
his.
Oh,
Thank you. Wow.
oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow.
You can, oh my goodness.
12-hour French toast.
Wow.
I cannot. That's the 12-hour French toast. What?
So it's
Okay, I
like
take it
really
back.
raised.
That's probably going to taste better and be a little more elevated than the cereal French toast. Gotta say. Okay, wait. Everyone gets bites and just like. Actually, I'll come back and we can give.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah, I'm most excited about this. And it was like, oh my gosh.
I will take out the
Yes, no, please. Thank you.
Takedown.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at the cute fries.
This is the filet.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. It's so good. Oh, thank you so much. Here, we'll lift it. Thank you,
Can we
Cha-Cha.
make 2 requests possibly?
Oh my goodness. Everything is actually incredible. This is amazing. That French toast, I'm not even a big French toasting guy. It's incredible. And then that skillet cake? Can't even.
I really did you try it?
Yeah.
Did you try
just
the
tried
ricotta
some.
So
thingy on top?
good. Yes.
Did you try the
Wait,
marshmallow?
no, he hates marshmallows, but
No.
I love them.
Yeah. Can't get through 'em.
Filet, I didn't even try the chicken. It's just too much
Chicken
goodness.
is good.
Oh my
Chicken's very
gosh.
good. Tastes like homemade, like grandma.
Do not
You
skip
don't even need
brunch.
the syrup. You don't even need the syrup.
Just don't skip
syrup
brunch.
helps.
Don't skip. Look, guys, it's Mrs. Potato Head. So cute. Hi, Mrs. Potato Head. Oh. Alright, we are sitting on the deck.
Yeah, well, kind of.
I'm sitting on the deck. We're like, huddled up homeless. Here's the deal. Hey! Is that a gun? And this one.
This is my version of sunbathing.
Easy there, Brian. Easy. Hello. All right, good job, Brian.
Jason went to go put on pants. Here at the Harry Chess contest. And these are the contestants. We're going to see how this goes. These ladies, they are voracious. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my goodness. This is quite the bit of entertainment. Oh wow. Okay. He's got the big reveal. Oh, here it comes. Are we ready for this madness? Okay. Wow. That was a mess, but a hilarious mess. We didn't film all of it, but it got crazy.
It got very, very, very well.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, one guy he went up in front of the judges and he ripped his shirt, completely ripped the buttons off his shirt, but he had a beer in his hand, so he spewed beer all over everyone, and it was.
Did he rip buttons off his shirt?
I think it might have been a snap shirt.
Okay. I was like, he really committed to lose.
Well, then he lost. Wasn't that Harry? Yeah, but the one who did win was a chia pet come to life. So I guess congratulations. Hi guys. So here's a little tip. I think we told you this before, but it was years ago. They use these cards on the actual ship in the casinos, but they have to take them out of rotation in case someone has marked them, just to make sure that they are on the up and up, and put in new ones. So the ones that they take out of rotation, you can buy them in the casino. Just go in, and they are $1 for a deck, and they have Carnival on them.
Well, they have the Carnival fin on them right there.
Yeah, the whale tail.
Yeah, and they're pretty much, I think they're used probably once, but they're brand new.
Yeah, they look absolutely brand new. So we actually just bought two. One we're gonna keep as a souvenir, also super affordable souvenir for your friends. And then the other one we are going to be giving away. So surprise giveaway. So in order to win this, you have to be following us on Facebook and of course subscribed, and comment down below and say, I feel lucky.
That's pretty simple.
Yeah,
Pretty
right?
simple.
So follow us here, follow us at Facebook, I Feel Lucky, and we will send you these cards.
Commodity.
Yay! She said, hi, good looking. Oh, so nice. So nice. Hello, everyone. So we are at the Love and Marriage Show, which is a favorite of ours. We're sitting in the back near the door because we might have to dip out a little bit early because we have our mixology class.
Yeah, that should be
I'm
fun.
excited for that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be super fun. So, but this is always cute. This is always a very enjoyable
We've seen the show a couple of times.
Yeah, but it's funny. The cool thing about the show, even if you've seen it before,
It's never
is
gonna be exactly the same.
and if you get a really good couple of couples up there, it can be super, super funny. So, yeah. Love and Marriage.